There's something really weird about talking into a camera, knowing that nobody might ever watch this. No likes, no comments, no audience, just me. Me and this blinking red light in front of me. But you know what? I'm doing it anyway. And if you're watching this, whether you're watching it now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, I want to tell you why. Why I started content creation here on YouTube, even if nobody's watching. Because I believe this journey matters. And it's not just for me, but maybe for you too. So, for almost 20 years, I've been in the health and wellness world. I've treated thousands of patients. And what I've learned is that health isn't just about the food you eat, or the exercise that you do, or the supplements that you take. Of course, all of that matters. Everything that you do in your life matters. But what carries a really big weight is your perspective, your mindset, how you see the world. And every day in my clinic, I find myself saying something like, your body follows your thoughts, or healing isn't just physical, it's emotional, it's mental, it's even spiritual. But I realized something. These moments and these insights, they stay within the four walls of my office. But what if they didn't have to? What if the same message I shared with one person could help thousands or even millions of people? That's when YouTube started calling me. Not as a platform, but as a practice, a gym for my communication, or a canvas for self expression. But here's the truth, I almost didn't do it. I thought to myself, I'm not an artist. I don't know how to put these things together. I'm not a videographer. I don't know too much about audio and video. I'm too late. All these 20-year-olds are already doing it. The algorithm won't care about me. But deep down, I knew this wasn't about being perfect. It was about being brave. You see, technology has always been a part of my life, but lately I've been so fascinated about how we use it for communication. Now we do Zoom calls, we do DMs, we do text messaging, FaceTime, Reels, Shorts, all of these things. This is how we connect now. And yet, no one's teaching us how to be truly human in this digital world. That's what I want to learn and share in this journey. Not just how to press record, but how to speak clearly, how to be seen, how to connect even if we're miles and miles apart. For me, content creation isn't just about building a following. It's about building the soft skills that AI can't replace. Hard skills like maybe accounting or data entry, maybe some graphics. Those could potentially be automated in the future, but things like communication and empathy and being present and being able to tell a great story that moves someone, being able to connect with someone, those are all human. Those are all us. And it's something we have to practice. So here I am. I'm practicing here in public in front of you, using YouTube as a digital gym for my voice, for my message, and for my growth. And as someone who's dedicated his life to healing, I believe this is part of healing too. Sharing ideas, offering perspectives, helping others see themselves and their wellness journey in a different light, in a new light. Of course, it won't go away. There's always doubt in your mind, doubt in my mind, because things like, who am I to do this? Or what if I sound awkward, look weird? What if no one watches me? But then I remind myself, it's not about the numbers. It's about the impact. Even if only one person watches this video and it shifts their way they think, the way they think about their health, their story, and their potential, then this video is worth it. This channel's worth it. Because I know how powerful one perspective can be. I see this every day in my clinic. What I didn't expect, though, is how good this feels. Not in an ego, check me out, look at me kind of way. Not that at all. But in that I'm doing something aligned kind of way. It's not about going viral or about the views. It's about just showing up as myself and seeing what happens. And also the community. I've talked with so many amazing people already. Fellow creators, wellness nerds, or just simply curious people wanting to grow. And that's been so life-giving for me. This whole thing, it's not just content. It's a vehicle for self-discovery. It's a vehicle to connect with other people. So yeah, that's why I started content creation here on YouTube, even if nobody watches it. To find my voice and effectively communicate, to speak out loud instead of just thinking quietly in my head, to share things that I've seen, things that I've felt, and things that I've learned along the way. And here's what I want to leave you with though. We all have a story, and you do too. It doesn't have to be polished. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to be shared because someone out there might really need to hear what you have to say, your perspective, your truth, and your experience. It could be the exact thing that helps someone feel less alone or finally take that first step forward that they've been wanting to do. So if you've been feeling nudged to speak up, to start a podcast, to film a video, write a post, please do it. The world doesn't need more noise, but it does need more honesty, more heart, and more you. So thanks for being here with me. Let's keep growing, let's keep creating, and let's show up together.